In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the engine oil level.
We're going to pull the dipstick here. And, it's kind of best to check it in the morning. You can check it when it's hot. It's going to be a little lower after you've already ran the car. You check it in the morning before it's ran. You're looking for your proper oil level. This car is low on oil. It should be in between the checks right now, and it's not. So when you check this in the morning, it's probably right at the dot, but we've already ran it, so it drops down, and you have oil in the overhead right now. So if you check it first thing in the morning before you started, all the oil from the top of the engine drains down, and the level would have come up. But it's probably down a quart of oil. So stick it down again, we'll pull it back up, and it's still below the dot. So this car needs a quart of oil. And to add the oil, I'll get this back in. You're going to pull the cap off right here, untwist it, and you put a funnel in here because it's got a small hole here. Put a funnel in and add your oil. And it doesn't particularly say what grade is on this one.
So you'd have to check the owner's manual, or you can actually research year, make, and model, engine size online, and you can probably find it online too.
Yeah.
But we'll end up doing that so we can see what it takes. Thanks for watching the video. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment, and I will reply back to you.